Welcome to Moral Magic Tales. Learning sight words helps children read faster, making reading fun and easy. So let's read. Dog. My dog. This is my dog. This is small dog. This is white dog. Dog. Rabbit. My rabbit. This is my rabbit. This is small rabbit. This is brown rabbit. Apple. Apple. My apple. This is my apple. This is small apple. This is red apple. School bag. My school bag. This is my school bag. This is small school bag. This is yellow school bag. Balloons. My balloons. These are my balloons. These are big balloons. These are birthday balloons. Colored pencils. My colored pencils. These are my colored pencils. These are big colored pencils. These are 20 colored pencils. Car. My car. This is my car. This is small car. This is orange car. Candies. My candies. These are my candies. These are small candies. These are tasty candies. House. My house. This is my house. This is big house. This is blue house. Hats. My hats. These are my hats. These are big hats. These are pretty hats. Burger. My burger. This is my burger. This is big burger. This is yummy burger. Books. My books. These are my books. These are small books. These are story books. Tomato. My tomato. This is my tomato. This is small tomato. This is juicy tomato. Cakes. My cakes. These are my cakes. These are big cakes. These are chocolate cakes. Cat. My cat. This is my cat. This is small cat. This is cute cat. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and subscribe to Moral Magic Tales.